So today I'm unboxing the iPhone 16 which I just received. It was an open box delivery, so the package was already open, but I'm going to show you the contents inside. Let's remove the bottom C. So as you can see, I have the iPhone 16 in white color. So as you can see on the right, it has two buttons. This is the power button and this is the camera control button, and it is a dual tone button, as you can see. On the back, it has the two camera setup. Here's the LED flash, and right here is the Apple logo. On the left side, it got two volume rockers. This is the action button on the top, and this is the SIM ejector tray. Now let's turn it on. On the bottom side, you can see here are the dual speakers, and right here is the Type-C charging port. Okay, now let's set up the phone. Okay, as you can see from here, I can increase the icon and font size. I'll keep it at medium. Okay, so while the phone is setting up, let's see what else we got in the box. A SIM ejector tool, and this is the Type-C to C charging cable. Okay, so now I'm done with the setup, and as you can see, this is my home screen. Now let's check its weight. So the iPhone 16 weighs 169 grams, which is very light.